Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond the world we know? This question, packed with curiosity and anticipation, led us to the dawn of space exploration, a time where the unknown was met with courage and the thirst for knowledge. The first leap towards the stars was taken in the late 50s, as the Soviet Union launched Sputnik 1 into space. This small metal sphere, no larger than a beach ball, became the first human-made object to orbit the Earth. It was a beacon in the night sky, signaling the beginning of a new era. Not long after, the Soviets reached another milestone with Luna 2. This spacecraft didn't just orbit our planet, it traveled the 250,000 miles to our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon. Luna 2 crash-landed, marking the first human-made object to reach the Moon, a feat that seemed impossible just a few years prior. But it wasn't just the Soviets reaching for the stars. Across the Atlantic, the United States was gearing up for their own space endeavors. A friendly rivalry known as the space race ignited between the two nations. This competition drove innovation and discovery at a pace the world had never seen before. This race culminated in one of humanity's most significant achievements. In 1969, the world held its breath as Apollo 11, a spacecraft from the United States, journeyed to the Moon. Upon landing, astronaut Neil Armstrong stepped out of the lunar module, becoming the first man to walk on the Moon. His famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed across the globe, marking a moment in history that would inspire generations to come. These early missions laid the groundwork for all future space exploration, sparking a sense of wonder and curiosity that continues to drive our quest for knowledge. From Sputnik to Apollo, these daring endeavors remind us that the sky is not the limit, but rather the beginning of our cosmic journey. As our understanding of space grew, so too did our ambition. It was this ambition that fueled the Voyager missions in the late 70s and early 80s. These missions, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were nothing short of revolutionary. They sailed into the inky blackness of space, carrying the hopes and dreams of humanity on their metallic shoulders. Voyager 1 was launched on September 5, 1977, followed closely by Voyager 2 on August 20th. Their mission? To provide humanity with its first close-up images of the gas giants Jupiter and Saturn, as well as the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. These celestial bodies, once distant and mysterious, were now within our grasp, their secrets ripe for discovery. Voyager 1 encountered Jupiter in March of 1979, revealing a world of turbulent storms and swirling clouds. Saturn, with its majestic rings, was next on the itinerary. The images sent back by Voyager 1 were nothing short of breathtaking, forever changing our understanding of these celestial giants. But our journey into the cosmos didn't stop there. We turned our gaze towards Mars, the red planet. The Mars rovers, first launched in the late 90s, embarked on a mission to explore the Martian surface. These rovers, from Sojourner to Perseverance, have been our eyes and ears on Mars, revealing a world both alien and strangely familiar. They have discovered evidence of water, mapped the Martian terrain, and even detected signs of ancient microbial life. Each discovery, each image sent back from these distant worlds, has expanded our understanding of our place in the cosmos. These planetary pioneers, both the Voyager probes and the Mars rovers, have not just been explorers, but ambassadors, carrying with them a message of peace and goodwill from all of humanity. They have ventured into the unknown, faced countless challenges and returned with knowledge and insights that have forever changed our perspective. These missions have expanded our understanding of our solar system and paved the way for further exploration. As we look to the future, we stand on the shoulders of these planetary pioneers, ready to delve deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos. The Moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has long been a focus of human curiosity and exploration. There's something enchanting about that luminous sphere in the night sky that has stirred our imagination and ambition for centuries. The Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, or LRO, has been pivotal in this pursuit. Launched in June of 2009, this robotic spacecraft has been tirelessly orbiting the Moon, capturing detailed images and data about our lunar companion. The LRO has revealed previously unseen aspects of the Moon, including cratered terrains, rugged highlands, and shadowy regions. Its findings have been instrumental in mapping potential landing sites for future missions and understanding the Moon's radiation environment. But the LRO isn't the only spacecraft that has been keeping an eye on the Moon. Across the globe, China has been conducting its own lunar exploration program, Chang'e. Named after the Chinese moon goddess, the Chang'e program has made significant strides in lunar exploration. Notably, Chang'e 4 was the first mission to successfully land on the moon's far side, a feat that has opened new possibilities for lunar science. And what about the future, you ask? Well, the moon remains a prime target for manned missions. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by 2024. This time the goal is not just to leave footprints but to establish a sustainable human presence. The moon is seen as a proving ground for the technologies and skills needed for more distant ventures, like Mars. There's also the prospect of lunar resources. The discovery of water ice on the moon's surface has sparked interest in the possibility of using it as a resource for long-duration space missions. Imagine astronauts mining the moon for water, which could be used for drinking, growing food, or even producing rocket fuel. The moon continues to captivate us, serving as a stepping stone for future space exploration. Its mysteries are far from solved, and its potential is vast. As we continue to reach for the stars, the moon will undoubtedly play a critical role in our cosmic journey. As we look to the future, the possibilities for space exploration seem endless. The next big leap in our cosmic journey is just around the corner, with ambitious missions that promise to redefine our understanding of the universe. One such endeavor is Artemis I, a mission that will take the first woman and the next man to the moon. This isn't just a repeat of the historic Apollo moon landings, it's a mission designed to establish sustainable human presence beyond Earth. Artemis I will lay the groundwork for future lunar exploration and potentially the construction of a lunar base. This isn't just about revisiting our celestial neighbor, it's about making it our second home. Moving further afield, we have the Mars Sample Return mission. This groundbreaking project aims to bring back samples from Mars for the first time. Scientists believe that Mars once had conditions suitable for life. These samples could provide invaluable insights into the red planet's past and potentially answer one of the greatest questions: was there ever life on Mars? But our ambitions don't stop at Mars. Scientists are already planning missions to the outer planets and their intriguing moons. Jupiter's moon Europa, with its subsurface ocean, and Saturn's moon Titan, with its complex organic chemistry, are particularly attractive targets. These missions could reveal if we are alone in the universe or part of a cosmic community teeming with life. The future of space exploration also promises the potential for human exploration of Mars and beyond. The thought of humans setting foot on another planet is no longer a distant dream, but a tangible goal within our reach. Imagine the day when we can look up at the night sky and know that there are human footprints on not just one, but multiple celestial bodies. With each new mission, we push the boundaries of what is possible, expanding our understanding of the universe and our place within it. From the earliest space missions to the latest exploratory endeavors, our journey into space has been one of discovery and innovation. This journey started with the dawn of space exploration, a time that saw humanity take its first steps into the cosmos. A time when we dared to dream and reach for the stars, when we launched our first satellites and sent our first astronauts into orbit. Then came the planetary pioneers, a group of bold explorers that dared to venture further into space. They charted the outer reaches of our solar system, visiting planets and moons that were once only specks of light in the night sky. These pioneers showed us that we are part of a much larger cosmic neighborhood, and that each planet and moon has its own unique story to tell. Our journey then took us to the moon and beyond. The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, became a stepping stone for humanity's greater journey into space. Our missions to the moon not only expanded our understanding of it but also paved the way for future exploration of other celestial bodies. Next, we ventured into the future of space exploration, a future that promises even greater discoveries and innovations. This future will see us reach even further into the cosmos, to distant planets and possibly even other galaxies. It will involve new technologies, new methods of exploration, and potentially even new ways of thinking about our place in the universe. Indeed, our journey into space has been a fascinating one, filled with remarkable achievements and groundbreaking discoveries. Yet, it is a journey that is far from over. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of space exploration, the possibilities are as boundless as the universe itself. As we continue to explore the final frontier, we look forward to the discoveries that await us, ever driven by our innate curiosity and desire to understand the universe around us.